If you watched my video on Sunday, I shared 2 tickers to be on the lookout for. Hello and welcome back. I am Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. Also check the description for some valuable resources. I wanted to give you all an update on the Bolo place I called out in my Sunday video. I told you all to be on the lookout for EXPE and V. Did any of you watch or trade these tickers this week? If you did, let me know in the comments. I took a position in Visa on Monday on this candle that is circled. You can see that Visa is still in a squeeze. The squeeze has yet to fire. I picked up 212.5 calls, January 15th expiration. I actually bought 8 contracts for about $3,000. Today you see that Visa made a new high. I was able to close my contracts for over 100% gains. If you look at your screen, you can see my actual profit. I was able to close this contract for over 100% gains, bought it for $3,000, ended up closing for $6,000 in total, $3,000 profit for me. Since the squeeze has yet to fire, I am looking to re-enter this position. Because it hasn't fired, that tells me that it still has room to go. The second ticker I told you all about in Sunday's video was EXPE. I entered it Monday on this candle. I picked up 1 contract, 128 call with the January 15th expiration date. I am up 42% on this ticker. Since it's still in the squeeze and I only have 1 contract, I am gonna hold on to this one. It's not that much that I'm risking. I'm up 42%, but I'm gonna hold on to it a little bit longer. I take my profits a lot sooner when I have multiple contracts, but with 1 contract, I don't mind hanging on to it. That explains how I made $3,000 trading my Bolo place that I alerted on Sunday. Over $3,000 on one of those tickers, which was Visa, and I'm still waiting to see what EXPE does. Thank you all for watching. If you're looking for an active trading community with alerts like the ones I just talked about, check out my server. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.